In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Adobe Creative Cloud. Whether you're switching accounts, troubleshooting issues, or simply stepping away and want to ensure your account's security, signing out is a simple yet essential step. Let's walk through this process together and make sure you know exactly what to do. First, you'll want to open up the Adobe Creative Cloud homepage. This will be your starting point for the sign out process. If you're currently logged into your account on your web browser, it should automatically take you to the home page when you navigate to Adobe's website. If not, you might need to log in or navigate to the home page manually. This is the hub of all things Adobe, where you can manage your subscriptions, download apps, and of course sign out when needed. Once you're on the home page, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. Here you'll find your profile icon. This icon typically displays a circle, sometimes with your initials or profile picture, depending on your account settings. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options related to your account. Now, within this drop-down menu, you should see the option labeled Sign Out. This option is your key to logging off from the current session on your browser. By clicking Sign Out, you'll effectively terminate your active session, ensuring that your account details are no longer accessible from that device. It's especially important to remember to do this if you're using a shared or public computer, as leaving yourself logged in could potentially expose your account to unauthorized access. While you're signing out, keep in mind that this action only affects your web session. If you're also logged into the Creative Cloud desktop app, you'll need to handle that separately. Make sure you remember your login details in case you need to sign back in later. There you have it, a straightforward and easy way to sign out of Adobe Creative Cloud. It only takes a few moments, but it's a crucial step in safeguarding your accounts and personal information. Remember, keeping your sessions secure helps protect your creative work and personal data from unintended access. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this guide was helpful and makes managing your Adobe account just a little bit easier. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a quick refresher or share it with anyone who might need a little assistance in navigating their Adobe account. If you liked this video and want more tutorials, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for upcoming guides. Until next time, stay creative and secure.